Hello, hi-ho kids! Welcome to our discussion for today. Before we start, let us talk about the previous lesson we have discussed before. Again, there are unique sounds for each letter, and words has initial sounds. Initial sounds can be found in the beginning of a word. For today, we are going to talk about final sounds. A final sounds are the sounds that you can hear at the end of a word. For you to understand it more, let's have some examples. The first picture here is a ball. Ball. The final sound of ball is "l". "l". Next, we have cookie. Cookie. And the final sound of cookie is "p". P. Next, we have cap. Cap. What do you think is the final sound? Next, we have bug. Bug. The final sound of bug is g. G. Now, I want you to tell me the final sound of the following pictures that you can see. Let's try this one. What is the final sound of bear? How about this one? Dog. Dog. How about this one? Net. Net. Very good, hi-ho kids. This is the end of our discussion for today. Thank you and goodbye. See you again tomorrow.